Define an anonymous function for addition of two numbers. Let us consider the following code. Variable name is equal to, that is addop is equal to lambda. To define a lambda function, we use a lambda keyword. Two parameters I am taking, where I will add a plus b. To add this a plus b, to return the value, we need not to use a return statement, because lambda functions never use any return statement. I'll write the main program. There I will take addop is a variable name which is acting as a function call 10, 20, whose result is called res. And the type of addop is called function class type, and print the result first. Print sum is equal to res. Let's run this code and see the output of it, 30. Now along with that, I want to print the type of addop. I am using type of addop is equal to type of addop, which is a object of type function class. So function class, since it is acting as a function type, this name can be used as a function call. This is the result of anonymous function. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.